Now we're going to go over how to load programs. All of your programs are on your USB drive. Okay, you save them off of your CAD/CAM software onto your USB drive. Put your USB drive in a port. Okay, F6 is load files. So once you go there, it shows you everything that is on your USB, your software settings, and all the programs. Okay, and your program will actually be running off of your USB while you're running it, so the USB has to stay in there. Cursor down to the program you want to run, and we'll say pen blanks, and then you just hit load. It shows you the shape of your part and also the cutter path for it. So these were pen blanks that we made in another video. Okay, the one thing I want to point out or show you is the pen blank is a lot like this duck call, nice shape on the outside. Okay, because on your tooling page, go back to the tooling, you can define whether the tool is cutting on the front side or the back side of the part. This makes it a lot easier when you program. Okay, on some other software programs, if I were programming this, roughing this out, let's say I was roughing it on the back side and then bringing my tool in like I've got here and finishing it on the front side, okay, I would actually have to actually write two different programs. One with all my X's and my I values in the plus, and then a mirror image of that program with all my X and I values in the minus. Okay, because the side that the tool is on is defined on the tooling page, this is just one program for one side, and all I do is change tools. And it doesn't matter that the tool's coming in from the front side or the back side, it runs the program without any issues. I don't have to alter it whatsoever. Okay, when you're looking at your programs, you'll see a lot of these say NC, and then some of them say Wiz.wiz. Okay, the .nc programs are the ones that you can run. Okay, the .wiz programs, if I click on one of these, this is lathe, turn, and thread, and I load it. Okay, those are your conversation programs. Okay, so we'll go over conversational programs on the next segment of this. But when you load programs, they've got to be a .nc program in order to run it on your machine. Okay, once you've called up your program, you can load. Let me get out of this. Pen blank, load. Okay, that loads your program. Then you go to your F2 MDI screen, and this actually shows your program being run. Okay, so I don't have this part set up to run right now. We just did our touch-offs on a piece of stock. Okay, however, if I want to edit this program, okay, then what I would do is go to load program file. First I have to load it, okay, then I could go to edit, okay, and it brings up your text editor page. The G3 can edit a much larger program than the G2. Okay, you've got page up and page down. You can look through your program. You can go in and edit your program. When you get all done, you just hit save. Just going to hit exit. Okay, so that's loading it, editing it,